Hello everyone, my name is Khushi and I am currently studying BBA Aviation in 4th semester.
And I am Anchal at the St. Francis College, Kormangla, which is situated at the heart of the Bangalore city.
And I am Priyalama. Recently our college has organized an industrial visits to Salem Airport in the Tamil Nadu. We got to see first-hand experiences how the airport operates from ground handling to air traffic control at the airport.
One of the highlights of our college is the mock aircraft, which is only present at our college, and this aircraft is Airbus 320.
So it's not just that our college provides us mock aircraft. We have more than that. We have door frame metal detectors, handheld metal detectors, check-in counters, as well as safety equipment which are provided at the airport and inside the airline as well.
This hands-on training allows us to experience real cabin crew operation, enhancing our practical learning and preparing us for the future roles in this industry.
This course gives you an incredible insight on the aviation industries with the airport management as well as airline operations.